Hello, everyone. Now, we are supposed to have three brains, right? Or at least three levels in our brain. And some people call our first and oldest brain a reptilian brain. Now, you imagine this creature, mankind, in a pretty dangerous world, surrounded by monsters, like, for example, a giant worm with teeth like a shark. I mean, the main state for survival is the state of fear. Fear with capital letters. And that will keep you on your feet to avoid danger. The only state that will protect you is fear. All your senses and focus are on survival, the survival of oneself. So, reptilian-like state is about oneself and only oneself. And it is the most primitive state of being. You could say it's me, me, and me. But with fear comes observation. How to avoid danger, how to protect myself. And soon enough, we learn to protect ourselves with shelters, fences. We learn to secure food, water. And our surroundings became less dangerous. So slowly, surely, we didn't need to tap on fear, or at least not that much. And now we were able to tap in other resources of our brain. As fear became less prevalent, the use of the reptilian brain was less needed. So the pathway to the lizard-like brain, the reptilian brain, are debilitated. And other pathways can now grow. In a state of fear, it's all about me, my survival, my safety. But when me is safe, have a shelter, food, water, now the me feeling can safely start expanding to the next me. The next me would be my children. And then we are able to expand the me feeling and the me feeling for my children to others. So when the pathways of fear are debilitated, we can expand on empathy. We can expand my feelings to others. And this state of being is called the mammalian brain. And it's based on empathy and compassion and able to walk in other person's shoes, for example. The reptilian era was taken over by the mammalian era. Unfortunately, the power structure of this world is reptilian in nature. They have kept control through the lack of empathy, and we are under an unnatural ruling. We could say that mammalian era is ruled by a reptilian retrograde era. So the root of narcissism is based in our reptilian and our oldest brain. We could call this brain the me, and that serves us well and preserves our survival. But translated in the new era, the me is selfishness, lack of compassion. So a narcissistic person is a retrograde state of being. In most cases, it is a learned state of being. Narcissistic families perpetuate a circle of abuse. When this circle is broken, we can say the chain is broken and that person is now free. Thank you for watching.